this fun? Like,
Yeah.
we're just driving around today and we're just like, oh, this is great. Oh, look at this. This is so
is
nice.
beautiful, huh?
Yeah, we should take a photo, Mike.
All right, will you pull over? She wants a photo. Here, hold that. No, I don't want it in my hair. Thank you.
Woo!
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, my lashes. Wait, my hair. Wait, I can't open my eyes. Wait.
Maybe go over here then.
But the sun is good for my...
Oh my God, then you can't see. We don't see your eyes.
Okay.
Right? 1, 2, 3. You didn't even, did you really just sneeze at my face? Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go. Thank God we stopped there.